Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking tension and sticker orientation, so reassembly restores the original look. Once noted, rotate the top layer about 1/4 turn and find a corner that moves easiest. Use your fingernail or a thin plastic pry tool to lift the corner cap gently. This relieves tension and exposes the corner piece. You do this because corners lock edge pieces. Removing a corner creates clearance. Make sure to work slowly and keep the cube supported to prevent chips or sticker damage. Once a corner is out, you can lever adjacent edge pieces away by pushing from the inside gap toward the outer face. This releases edges without stressing other pieces. Continue around the cube, removing edges in a predictable sequence so you maintain balance and avoid sudden pops. Once edges are free, you can remove center caps to access screws and springs. This lets you fully disassemble to the core. Make sure to keep corners, edges, and center screws in separate piles to simplify reassembly and restore tension. You finish by unscrewing center screws and removing springs, paying attention to spring orientation and screw length because they affect tension and feel. Lay all pieces flat, and if necessary, label faces so color orientation is preserved for reassembly. If a piece resists, don't force it. Instead, reinsert an already removed edge to rebalance pressure and try a different adjacent piece. This prevents cracking or bending. Finally, photograph your layout before complete separation so you have a visual reference when rebuilding the cube.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.